the Charger Award. So you guys for fucking discharging and fucking was a suit because you need to fucking leash. Because we saw you leash your board so many times. It's man. Wow, yeah, man. Hell yeah. Also, I got this award is for me. It's fucking very special. It's the Russ Boulware Award, and it's a good friend of mine who fucking died this year. But he was with me like he's the first time I ever surfed the slave.
Sí, lo entienden, ¿verdad?
Yeah.
Es de un amigo, es bien especial este award que le llaman, ¿verdad? Porque es un amigo de él que murió.
Yeah, it's the first time I surfed the slave and was with this guy and
La primera vez que
little widow,
con este muchacho.
good friend, and he went to Iraq, came back alive, but fuck, man, he died in a car accident.
Y fue a Irak y estuvo bien,
you know,
volvió y tuvo un accidente.
He was lucky when he came back. Life is short, man. So,
You have to
and this homeboy right here, Derek wins the award, man. Lucky, man. That's fantastic. That's fantastic. That's fucking Alright, for the heat, man, we're going out in the freezing water. What we got here, Mike? Fourth place?
En el cuarto.
Alright.
right there.
Cuarto lugar.
Yep.
Fourth place, we got fourth place.
Cuarto lugar, ¿quién fue?
Yeah, that's how professional we are. What's up?
Fourth place was Jesus.
Jesus.
Okay.
Yeah. Gracias, maestro. But yeah, in the third place. Yeah, Ozeba, man, I can't believe that you got that third, man. Fuck, killing it still though, bro.
Segundo was Raimundo. First place, Quinte Preón. Quinte Preón, very good. Muy bien, bro.
Muchas gracias, carnal.
Carnal.
Eso me todo me a mí.